Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Shweta Mutkal, a representative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we are going to start GK. So take out your books and start filling the correct answers with me in a very neat and clean handwriting. Student, we will start with chapter number 38. In this chapter, we will talk about machines and the simple machines we will talk about in this chapter. What are simple machines? Simple machines are designed to make our work easier. Simple machines are designed to make our work easier, like scissors, knife, fulcrum and seesaw, pulley, block and tackle. We are going to read it one by one. Okay. Now, a piece of material thick at one edge and tapered to a thin edge at the other is called wedge. Student, knife is also an example of wedge that is given in question number 6. Tapered means reduced thickness towards the end. So, I am going to show you the example of wedge, that is knife, that is reducing its thickness towards the end. Now, number 2. A lever is a stiff bar that rests on a support called fulcrum, which lifts or moves loads. In the picture, you can see that this is a picture of lever and this is fulcrum showing over here. I am again going to read the question, which will make you easier to understand it. A lever is a stiff bar. A lever is a stiff bar that rests on the support called fulcrum, which lifts or move loads. You can note down the meaning of fulcrum. A fulcrum is the point on which the beam pivots when an effort is applied to one end of the lever or load is applied at the other end of the lever. Okay. So, you note down F-U-L-C-R-U-M. Now, the question 3, the seesaw I have just shown you. The seesaw is also an example of lever. Okay? Now, number 4, a pulley uses grooved wheels and a rope to raise, lower or move a load. I am going to show you a picture. This is an example of pulley. ये आप लोग देख सकते हैं, grooved means ये depression. इसमें एक rope है और जो ये हम कहाँ देखते हैं बच्चों, well में आपने कई बार देखा to fetch a water. We use pulley there. Okay. Now the next is number 5, the block and tackle. This is associated with pulley. Is a system of 2 or more pulleys with a rope or cable threaded between them, usually used to lift or pull heavy loads. Students, you can note down it. A block is a set of pulleys. An assembly of blocks with a rope threaded through the pulley is called tackle. Okay. Now, number 6 I have already explained you. Number 7. The arrangement of wheel and a rod, where rod goes through the center of the wheel, is called wheel and axle. As you can see in this picture, the arrangement of wheel and a rod, where rod goes through the center of the wheel is called wheel and axle. Okay. Now, number 8, a screw is an inclined plane consisting of a spirally grooved solid cylinder and a correspondingly grooved hollow cylinder into which it fits. So, okay, it is an inclined plane consisting of spiral. आप देख सकते हैं इसमें ये spirally grooved solid cylinder. Student, now we are going to read point number 9, that is an inclined plane is a slanting surface connecting a lower level to a higher level. Students, I am going to show you through a diagram. So, this is a slanting surface. Okay? Slanting surface which join the higher level to lower level, as you can see in ramps or slides. Students, now chapter number 40, that comes under flora and fauna, animal and plant kingdom. We are going to read about monkey world. Okay? There are more than 260 species of monkeys found in the world today. They are derived from early primates that have been around for millions of years. Monkeys are social animals. These mammals are very intelligent. Primates, all the different species of the animals come under this category, and mammals that do not lay eggs give live birth to their child. Clear? Now we are going to solve this questions. Pictures and descriptions of some species of monkeys are given below. Identify, write their names using the help box. Student, write it in a very neat and clean handwriting. First we are going to talk about this particular monkey is often argued to be an ape instead. Means बोला जाता है कि ape है. Ape means largest primates that lacks tail like gorilla and chimpanzee. And baboon is the answer. Number 2. They live in the trees and are active during the day only. They are active during the day only. That is capuchin monkey. Number 3. In the Egyptian culture, they were worshipped. इनकी पूजा की जाती थी. That is proboscis monkey. Student, as you can see in the picture, this is a very little kind of monkey. They are also known as the pocket monkey, little lion and the dwarf monkey, Bona, that is pygmy marmoset. Number 5. These are small monkeys with pink faces, as you can see, pink faces that do not have any fur on them, that is rhesus macaque. Number 6. It is also known as Diomede monkey. This species belongs to the old monkey world, that is blue monkey. Number 7. It is often called the cotton-eared marmoset. As you can see in the picture, इसके ears कैसे लग रहे हैं हमको? Cotton जैसे लग रहे हैं. That is common marmoset. Number 8. They are also called the snow monkey, Japanese macaque. Okay students, I hope you understood. Thank you so much.